This is our awesome Char Siu pork. You can see how juicy it is there when it comes off the smoker, and then when we finish it off in the air fryer. And this is how we make it. We start with my wife's in-house marinade. On this occasion this is over some pork shoulder, and then we put it on the smoker, which is a pit boss smoker, and we smoke the pork for up to 6 hours depending on the temperature. Once the temperature is right, we take it off, and then we will give it another bit of marinade. So you can see now we are wiping on some fresh marinade. The pork is cooked at this point, but we're going to make it taste even better. So we give it a good dosing of this fresh marinade all over the sides, all over both ends. We make sure that that's coated in this tasty marinade. We then put it back in the regular oven to char it up and give it some colour. This is what it looks like afterwards, and you can see as we slice into that just how juicy that meat is. 5 or 6 hours since we started. It's so juicy, it's so moist, it's to a good temperature. You could eat it like that, but what we do then, we let it cool and we give it an extra coating of the Char Siu marinade, so that when it comes to the customer they get it vac packed, and the customer can then finish it off with that extra marinade in the air fryer or oven. And look how tasty that looks. Here it's paired with our chow mein vegetable noodles, and it was absolutely delicious.